Aaron and I, at 2 in the morning, jumped in the FJ and drove down to Vegas. Let's get this thing moved back a little bit. What?
Tomato flew from there onto here. I put my hand in it.
Gross. Ew, is that a tomato? Are you sure? That's guts. What, you think that was like from like my Jimmy John sandwich? Dang, look at that thigh. Dude, what the heck? That looks like the heart. I feel like we're entering the land of Mordor. Oh no!
Coasting.
We got a hill coming up. I just don't want to be.
I don't like that we got only 130 miles out of this whole entire tank of gas because of stupid mountains.
Yeah.
I'm going to no haunted forests out here. That's a gas pump. Oh.
Is that it? That's it?
You have got to be kidding me. This cannot be the only one.
Yeah, dude, it works. It's gas. There we go.
Oh my goodness. I don't
Fill
think
her
that
up. We're here for you.
9 more minutes.
The country store.
Alright, so we have to fill it up here.
Yeah. Man, now it's not gonna be a secret anymore. You ruined the surprise.
I did.
We just read a sign after driving 45 minutes away from the last gas station, which we should have put gas in. Well, we didn't, and we saw a sign that said there's no gas for 115 miles, and the light just turned on. So we're siphoning gas out of the race car. This gas is about 11 months old, right?
I don't see very much.
That's a lot. Here we go.
Okay, go.
Yes! There we go.
Nice.
Oh. Remove dust cap before use. Hey, you know what? Like this whole project, right? Like, just wasn't bound to end, I guess. Oh my god. Money. minutes away from the tire shop. We got 3 trailer tires on. Oh, that's pretty.
This music is going along with this area.
Yeah. I don't know why, but this Sinclair is what looks familiar.
That's from Toy Story.
Is it?
Yeah. Dinosaur gas station? Yeah. Holy hell.
Where are you coming from? Idaho?
Seattle.
Seattle?
Yeah.
Okay.
You've actually never had this engine running in this car yet.
No, but it's a crate motor, so
Right.
you know.
It'll start right now.
Find a way. Yep, that's covered.
There we go. We're trying to like keep this car a secret. We're not doing a very good job. Secret's out.
Your cover's all coming apart.
Yeah. We went through Oregon, Idaho, Idaho. After we went through Idaho, Nevada.
Nevada.
I think it's Nevada.
Nevada.
Nevada. So we went through the Nevadas Rocky Mountains or something like that, and then
The old school cowboy movies you think were shot out here?
a whole lot.
Or even
All the westerns.
how many ghost towns do you think are out here? Would you ever want to find one?
Probably is. Anyway, Aaron over here, big guy, Japanese fella.
Lost dog.
He fell asleep. Fell asleep at the wheel. You know what this reminds me of? I took a photo of you in your 86 from the passenger seat, and you looked at me the exact same way. There was a Washington State Patrol with his lights drove by, and I took the photo right as the Washington State Patrol drove by. Rich, we are in Las Vegas. We forgot to put gas in the tank one time, and the one time we were like, we'll just fill up at the next one. There was a sign that said, there's not going to be gas for 200 miles.
Because remember last time? Hey, look at this. It's the Funky Bunch. What's up?
So this is the car.
Have you been the wheels?
Yeah, these toe straps are just really strong. They just bend them straight out.
New wheel brushes. Are you cleaning those wheels for Mr. Miss Classic Girl Wingfin?
Dude, I want to get inside my hotel room, take a shower, eat some food, sleep maybe.
You can't do that until you get the car in the
I know.
Go, go, go.
Alright, we're good.
Hook it.
No, what's going to happen is, that's what they're determining. None of this would have been possible without the help of so many people, so many hands involved, so many different clients. I did not sleep that entire month, and it was non-stop full-time, and I did not work, you know? I wasn't making money, so I built up a safety net, for the next 2 months, and we're down to the very bottom of it here in Colorado. So, anyway, that's the build, and glad you guys got to see it. Glad we were able to document all of it.
There we go.